Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create these truly beautiful, absolutely stunning carousels in the InstaPosts AI service platform. The first thing that becomes visible to us immediately after the registration process is our dedicated workspace. First thing after registration, we see our workspace. We then click on the create button. We click the create button and then we choose the format: square, portrait, or story. We are now going to select a template. For example, let's go ahead and choose this particular template right here. As you can clearly see, we have well over 100 templates available for various niches, businesses, for different creators. We select it, then we click on confirm. Here we can type in any prompt we wish. For example, let's say we want to generate a post about clarity and focus. We can create just one post, or you have to choose. Carousel. Here you simply choose the desired number of slides and then you just click on the generate button. It takes literally only about 20 to 30 seconds and your carousel will be completely ready. We selected 6 slides and 6 slides were successfully generated. You can, for example, you can customize every single slide if you wish to add an icon, or if you'd like to include your company's logo, you have the option to do so. You can also write in your website address, change the title, and much more. You can also go into the branding section. And then you can write some additional information there. There's some text, then choose a font, change the font style, to choose a base layer, and then many other different kinds of things. Here you'll find all the settings. You can add text, an image, or even an emoji. You can also save your current setup as a preset and then easily apply it later. You have the ability to copy any existing slide, to modify a similar slide that's already in place, to enlarge its size, to completely remove it, or even add more images and visual elements from any available template you choose. And just like that, our logo has been successfully added to the image. In the left-hand window, you have the option to save all of your current projects. Right here, you can easily rename any selected project. And also from this spot, you can quickly find any specific project you're looking for. By simply clicking on your profile icon, you'll be able to change the color of your entire workspace.